simple digital wealth hub. Until you click on this video, you was a poor man. But from now on, you are going to make your wealth. And end of this year, you will be surprised because you will be a best version and wealthiest version of your life when this 2025 gonna ends. So guys, as many people says, the digital era was started from 2025, from this year. So when we step on 2013, it will be a digital world. No one have chance. There will be a more jobless people. Only one who have the knowledge about internet and the technology and about digital world, they will be the persons only who have the wealth. So don't waste your time. Learn, learn every time. And Digital Wealth Hub, my channel is going to teach you so many things about digital world and what you can do, what you how you can earn. I'm going to teach you from today. So guys, what are you ready to learn? As you see these three topics, I categorize what I can teach you. The first topic is graphic designing. So graphic design is the most famous thing in nowadays because to earn through graphic design you don't need so much knowledge or big knowledge. You don't need big knowledge. You have to learn little and you can earn more. So guys, when we see about graphic designing, there are four options that your life gonna change: Adobe Photoshop, Adobe Illustrator, Canva, and Photopea. I want to teach you about Adobe Photoshop because Adobe Photoshop is the best designing editing software, and Adobe Illustrator also help with Adobe Photoshop. If you know about these two, you can do many things in design world. But Adobe Photoshop and Adobe Illustrator will be little bit hard. But this one is the most famous and the best thing you can design your idea nowadays because Canva is providing you many templates to design your idea. You can make logo, social media post designing, brochure designing, and so many things you can edit. You see this my presentation also making by Canva. I will show you how to do that and so many things. I have so many plans how to teach you. So in further videos I will guide you perfectly. And the next thing is Photopea. So this is also same like Adobe Photoshop but so much easy. And Adobe Illustrator tools also in Photopea. So you don't need to learn so many things because Photopea will help you in many ways. So guys, when we talk about graphic designing, these four tools will help you to earn big money from internet. And the next thing is video editing. This one also will be the best and famous thing in next 2 or 3 years. Also YouTube and so many platforms are using video. So guys, video editing is the perfect thing that you have, that you can learn these days. When we talk about video editing, the best software is Adobe Premiere Pro. If you know this software, if you learn this software, you can create a movie at home. But guys, I want to tell you, Adobe Premiere Pro is little bit difficult, and you must learn very well about this. If you learn very well, you can use this app perfectly. So the next thing is CapCut. I'm also using CapCut to create my videos because it's very easy and very helpful. CapCut saves my time, so I'm using CapCut. Also, I'm going to teach you about CapCut. So guys, last topic is earn through internet. This is the topic that you are waiting for, because as I told you, in the next years there are so many people that going to lose their jobs because of this digitalized world. When we talk about earn through internet, there are so many ways to earn. If you know designs, if you learn designs, you can sell designs. If you have items, or if you can buy some items, you can sell them on internet. You can trade and earn. This is the best thing you can earn through internet, but you have to be very patient, otherwise you will lost your all the money. So guys, first learn trading well, and then you can start trading. And the next one is Bitcoin. You know, in 2025 January month, Bitcoin become 100,000 USD dollars. When it start, it's only $5. So now I think you can understand what happening now. So investing in Bitcoin, it's a good and best idea nowadays, because it's gonna be most valuable currency in next era. And the next thing is YouTube. So YouTube, you can use YouTube to learn and earn. YouTube is the most famous platform that showing videos. There are so many videos, entertaining videos, music videos, movies, and educational videos, so many things. If you have a skill to teach something or doing something, you can earn through YouTube. Also social media like Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and so many things. You can create your designs and videos, and you can earn through social media. And the affiliate marketing, this is the next best thing to earn money. You don't waste, you don't have to do hard work. Just you have to share just a little link, share, and you can earn. And the next thing is AI. I know you definitely you have heard about AI, artificial intelligence. People are saying artificial intelligence is going to uh, attack, or like attack people, because that much fast AI is developing. So guys, these are the best things that you can earn money from this 2025. So guys, don't waste your time, start today, start your changing today, because there are so many things you have to learn. I will teach you from the next video. I'm going to start your teaching. So guys, don't late. Subscribe Digital Wealth Hub now, and don't forget to click the notification bell, because when I upload the next video, you will get the notification bell. You will get the first lesson. So if you want a wealthy in your life, follow my channel and give a like. Also share this video, so it will help someone to get wealth in life, get back to his track. Also, if you have any problem or any idea, don't hesitate to comment. I will see your comment and I will reply. I will create a reply video, or I will give you an answer. So guys, again I'm going to remind, let's grow together. Subscribe and click the bell icon. We will see you in the next video as soon as possible.